by providing the expertise as well as the funds required for the project implemented.
The 45-member East Africa Legislative Assembly sitting in Nairobi resolved that the ICC cannot be entrusted to serve justice to the 4 Kenyan suspects accused of crimes against humanity during the 2007-2008 post-election violence, as well as the victims of that violence, and unanimously passed a motion urging the Hague-based court to transfer the cases to the Arusha-based East African Court of Justice.
The East African Court of Justice is held in high regard. I have had the opportunity to appear before that court.
All those in favor say aye. Aye. Those say no. The ayes have it.
But international criminal law experts say the resolution is practically and legally impossible to push through, going by the limited mandate of the East African Court.
As currently constituted, the East African Court of Justice has jurisdiction over issues that arise under the treaty, essentially disputes between the states of the East African community. It is important to emphasize that the court does not have jurisdiction on matters of human rights.
Apart from its lack of mandate to dispense with criminal justice issues, the other hurdle is that its judges are not engaged on a permanent basis, yet it is an expensive affair to handle crimes against humanity. This means that were the cases to be transferred to the East Africa Court of Justice, certain institutional reforms would have to be undertaken first.
There is a protocol that is now 6 years old that is aimed at extending the jurisdiction of the court under Article 27 to extend to matters of human rights. But states have not been able to agree on the text of that protocol.
What is practically possible, experts say, is for the ICC to conduct the actual trials at the Arusha-based court.
Well, I don't think that proposal will be coming from the East African Legislative Assembly. It's true that if you look at the Rome Statute, the ICC can sit anywhere other than The Hague. But that is usually a decision of the judges together with the organs of the court, the registry and the prosecutor.
In the meantime, Japanese judge Kuniko Ozaki has been elected to preside over the court that will try the 2 Kenyan cases at the ICC. This comes a day after the suspects in one of the cases, Deputy Prime Minister Uhuru Kenyatta and former head of public service Francis Muthaura, filed an application seeking to stop the commencement of the trials until their appeal on the court's jurisdiction is determined. Alex Chamwada for Citizen Weekend.